Hi, I'm Diamond.
And I'm Stazzi.
Welcome.
Well, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're just gonna go on a hike in Charlotte. So right now we are at McDonald's.
Had to get some food, you know, a little hungry.
Yeah.
But yes, like she said, we are in Charlotte and we're gonna go hiking on this mountain, and we're gonna see how it goes because yeah. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers, because then we will do another giveaway, 3-time surprise, more than one winner. Don't want to miss it. So go ahead and help us get to that, and stay tuned. So we're back. Well,
we just got to the mountain.
we just got to the mountain climbing place. We're gonna attempt to climb this mountain. It's really cold out here, so wish us luck. We're wearing mittens, so our hands should be great.
Yeah.
So walk with us.
Bad idea.
This is a bad idea.
Instant regret. You know.
I'm about to go back.
We're only like 30 seconds in. So.
Not that far.
Whoa. We really need to work out.
Here we go. Alright, so alright, so we're almost there at the top of this place. Yeah, we still got some to go. At this point, I just want to go home. Only 2 870 cents. Yeah.
Oh, wait, what?
Like when you're ascending, or I don't know.
But ascending is not up, so you still creating room.
Yeah.
Like a silent person in the middle of the woods. Hey, they don't even check.
They don't care. Alright guys, so we made it halfway.
Hopefully we'll like halfway and show them the view in a second, you know.
We made it to the top finally. Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
And I thought it was gonna be cold, hot. I want to take it off, but they said I can't come and catch a cold. But yeah, I feel like the worst part is going to be going down.
Yeah, because of balance or whatever.
I might just roll down.
Okay. I think we have to put a disclaimer. No, do not try this.
Oh yeah, disclaimer, do not try this at home. I definitely wouldn't recommend this for anybody.
No, I'm talking about the jumping off part.
Oh, I definitely do not recommend rolling down a mountain at home.
Okay, so we're headed back down now. Hopefully it'll be more smoother than
it was up, because I swear I was so hot coming up, and now I'm freezing cold, and maybe I'm happy I didn't take nothing off, but Now we're going back down. It's not really that far. We're gonna show you guys.
Look at this man. He's turbid.
He said, I'm here.
Oh, let me get out his way.
Yep, so we're going back down now. So wish us luck and wish my fingertips luck because I just put my mittens back on and freezing again. So
I heard we're getting left. No.
Alright guys, you probably can't see me because I'm a little dark, but
yeah, we're just now finishing the mountain, like coming down or whatever. So
okay, would you say going up or going down is like better?
I think going down is better, even though I almost broke my ankle like 3 times, literally back to back. I think it's because I have on Uggs, so if I had on like real shoes, then maybe it'd be better.
I don't know. I liked going down at first, like the idea of, because the idea of going up was already bad as it was. My heart kept beating so fast.
Yeah.
They're going down, huh? They're going down. They're going down was really much more like me getting my balance and like my, what is it, the back part of my leg was kind of hurting. But
We can go in this light.
oh no, I don't gotta go. But yeah, it was really something.
Yeah.
Oh, this is.
So now we're about to go eat, which is weird because I mean we just worked out, but you know it's okay.
It's like get some crab legs because you already know like.
Who are we if we don't eat crab legs?
Exactly,
You know?
it'll only be right.
Yeah, has to be. But so how many stars?
For me personally, I really don't like doing outside things. So considering that, considering that, I would definitely give it a honestly 3 out of 5.
That's good.
It's pretty good. It's like a 60%, but
Yeah.
if it would me if out of 5 stars, I would say 4 out of 5. Well, actually, you know what? No, 4 out of 5 because it wasn't hot like that. It's cold outside in general, and it's going up the mountain. It's not really. I don't know. Maybe I was over exaggerating. Happy to be off.
Yeah.
The view's amazing.
Yeah, of course we got some pictures, of course. But this is my first time ever doing this, so it's okay for the experience, you know. Would I just voluntarily do it again? Not sure about it, but you know, whatever. So yeah, we'll see you guys at the restaurant. Deuces.
Okay. All right, guys. So we are finally at this restaurant. We're at Shake. Whatever. We're at the Shake High Place. If you have been here before, please comment down below what you have gotten. And yeah, because I might actually get we're gonna get the snow crab and shrimp combo.
Good.
Oh no, you're fine. We're just recording for our YouTube. Are you subscribed to us?
Who are you?
Oh.
Maybe I will be.
Oh, that's funny. Okay. So
I'm gonna have a water to drink. All right, so we just ordered. We took our menus, but yeah, I got you know what I got. We just ordered it. We also got the 2 eggs added in there because why not? Only for like what, $1 and some change. And
so yeah, we're gonna end this vlog, I guess you can call it, for today.
yep. So
If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. and let us know what you'd like to see next, and also share it with your friends and family.
And again, thank you so much for watching our day hiking, day 12.
Yeah.
Day 12 of Christmas.
First day of
12 days until Christmas.
Yeah.
12 days until Christmas.
Yeah.
All right, I'm Diamond.
And I'm Stazzi.
And thanks for watching.
Winter wonderland.